Be ready. Start. Challenging an order of the learned single judge confirmed by the division bench in an intra-court appeal refusing to interfere with the decision of the university denying permission to her to appear in the four-semester LLB examination, a student has come up with the above special leave petition. Stop. We have heard learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned counsel for the university. Stop. The petitioner joined the 3-year LLB course at Law Center 2, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi in August 2016. Stop. By the time she joined the course, she was already married for about 5 months. Stop. The petitioner completed the first 3 semesters without any hindrance. Stop. However, she fell short of the required attendance during the fourth semester due to two difficulties. Stop. One was that she gave birth to a baby on 22 February 2018, disabling her to attend the classes till the end of March 2018. Stop. The second difficulty was that the Delhi University Teachers Association went on a strike from 16 March 2018 and hence the university could not conduct the minimum number of classes as prescribed by Rule 10 of the Bar Council of India Rules Para. Therefore, the petitioner was detained by a notice dated 9 May 2018 and not permitted to write the fourth semester examinations scheduled to commence from 12 May 2018. Stop. The petitioner therefore filed a writ petition civil number 5194 of 2018 on the file of the High Court of Delhi seeking a direction to the university to permit her to appear for the fourth semester examinations. Stop. But the writ petition was dismissed by an order dated 15 May 2018. Stop. An intra-court appeal was filed by the petitioner in LPA number 294 of 2018, but the same was dismissed by the division bench by an order dated 7 September 2018. Stop. It is against the said order that the student has come up with the above special leave petition. Para. On 5 October 2018, this court ordered the issue of notice in the special leave petition. Stop. While doing so, this court also permitted the petitioner to attend classes at her own risk on completion of the required formalities. Stop. Pursuant to the aforesaid orders, the petitioner appeared for the examinations of the 4th, 5th and 6th semesters. Stop. There are no further examinations. Stop. The university has also declared the results of the 4th and 6th semester examinations but has not declared the results of the 5th semester supplementary examination. Stop. Therefore, the petitioner has come up with IA number 1024 of 2020 seeking a direction to the respondent to declare the results of the petitioner for the 5th semester supplementary examination and to grant the provisional degree, consolidated mark sheet and character certificate. Stop. When the above interlocutory application came up for hearing, we took up the main special leave petition also in view of what is stated here under. Stop. From the sequence of events narrated above, it is quite clear that the petitioner has completed the course in entirety and that the results of all the semester examinations except the 5th semester supplementary examination has already been declared and that the list in the special leave petition though relates to the fourth semester, does not actually survive for an active adjudication on account of the subsequent developments stop once the petitioner has completed the course and also written the fifth and sixth semester examinations and even got the results of all the semester examinations.